Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through everyday conversations. In today's episode, you will learn how to use English at the airport, from check-in to boarding your flight. Let's get started.
Wow, the airport is so busy today.
Yeah, it always is. Are you ready for your flight?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous. I'm not very confident speaking English at the airport.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Let's go step by step. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
All right, please place your bag on the scale.
Sure.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What do I say here?
Just follow instructions. Please place your bag on the belt and remove any electronics.
Okay.
Do you have any liquids?
No, I don't.
All right, you can go through.
So now we just wait?
Yes, this is the boarding gate. Listen for announcements. Flight 245 to London is now boarding.
That's our flight.
Let's go. Boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You may board now.
Excuse me, where is seat 12A?
It's by the window, over there.
Thank you.
Can I help you with your bag?
Yes, please.
Let's review some useful airport phrases.
May I see your passport? I have one suitcase. I'd like a window seat. Where is my seat?
And also, here is my boarding pass. Excuse me. Thank you.
I feel much more confident now.
See, airport English is actually simple.
Yes, just short and polite sentences. I'm really excited about this trip.
Me too. It's going to be fun.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime. Great job. Now you know how to use English at the airport. Practice these phrases and travel with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. Please subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.